saving, rendering, and normalizing. Let's talk about these three buttons on top under session and these three buttons below under audio. Let's imagine that you have a project that is finished, spatialized, and ready to go. Imagine that this is your project. You want to save it in order to keep working on it later. Then you're going to work under session. You can save this session, which means no audio will be saved, but all the positions, buttons, and settings that you already provided. You simply click Save, give it a name, and now your session will be saved. You can start a new session by clicking under New. The system will confirm that you want to delete everything, and now you are back to zero. In order to get back to your previous session, you just simply can load it. And there it is. In it, you can keep working and make the changes that you want. Notice that you can save it, but you need to override what you did before. The function on SpaCO is always save as. There is no save. You can have as many files as you want. For example, I have a previous work done in here, which are different files in different orders. Once you finish your project, you need to export the audio. SpaCO will export the audio in a quadraphonic wave file, so only one file with 4 channels in it. In order to do that, you need to render. Then you will work with the 3 buttons of audio. You need to start for the first one, which is giving your audio a name. And then you click Save. Now the system will be waiting for you to click number 2. You cannot change anything now. When you click number 2, the system will start rendering. Notice that the rendering happens in real time. In this case, my project is 1 minute and 18 seconds long. So it'll take 1 minute 18 seconds plus 10. The plus 10 is to allow any reverb that you added at the end to die naturally. The blinking colors and the green that becomes darker is simply to show you that there is an activity. So you just need to wait for it. If you need to stop the rendering for any reason, you can click Stop. Once the project finishes rendering, it'll stop automatically. This is the file that we end up with. That's one.wav. If we see in the information, it has 4 channels. The sample rate will be the same that you had set up on your output. One last step is to normalize your file. If you click number 3, you will have access to the quadraphonic normalizer. This normalizer has 3 different steps. Number 1, you choose the file that you just rendered. You will be able to see it. As you can see, we are not using the whole potential of the audio system. There is a lot of headroom in each one of the 4 channels. Then, if you normalize, it'll take the loudest sample to the loudest point, and then you'll be working in industry levels. After that, you simply save it. And now, you have a quadraphonic audio file that is normalized and ready to be used in your system.